What's going on, YouTube? Well, I decided to do something maybe a little bit different today. To see, I don't know, just to have a little fun. I was okay. So here's the deal. I already had this little radio right here. It's an Android radio that I've had for forever, just sitting around doing nothing. I have the power supply. Of course, I got tons of wiring and all that kind of stuff. So what I did was I went onto Amazon and I just looked up like the best rated speakers, 6.5 inch, because that's what most people put in their vehicles. So I got a Pioneer and I got a JVC, and these are pretty much, I'll put the price up above them or right next to them, whatever. But I want to say they were right around the same price. But so basically, this radio would be like if it was in your vehicle and it was powering these speakers because you put them in your doors, right? So you want to hear what they sound like. You want to hear if one's better than the other, because I think they're right around the same price. And I want to say they're like 25 bucks or something. I can't remember exactly what I paid. So I bought these little boxes to mount them in, and then I wired them up to these little switches so I could switch back and forth. And like I said, this is the stuff I had laying around. And anyway, so I don't know how good the mic's gonna be, but I'm gonna say you probably need to have headphones on, and or listening to it on your real TV or whatever, with some good quality speakers. And I did lower the level of the mic, so I'm hoping it's not gonna clip. So either I'm gonna have to redo this video and readjust everything, or maybe this is gonna go through. Anyways, I just have this on my little cart right here that I just used in my shop. And so just a not stock radio, but Android radio, and two 6.5s running off my power supply right here. So let's play some music. I'm just going to play some YouTube music that sometimes I play in my videos, obviously, because it's got to be copyright. So maybe eventually I'll try to find some better music. But so let's just hear what these sound like. I'm going to switch them back and forth, and we'll just go from there.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got a lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma win fight for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'm a big fight, need time, and I'll still be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'm a big fight, need time, and I'll still be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
All right, well, that was just one song right here. So let's go into the radio here and let's see how I have everything set. I got it set on user. You know what? Let's switch it to I believe jazz got a little bit more bass to it. So let's see. Let's find another song here that.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts.
about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade
I'm going through hell, a days like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind.
All right, let's go ahead and pause that. Anyway, so I don't know. I just thought about doing something, like I said, a little different, a little fun. I have some, I have all this stuff just laying around. Um, and this is just a first test. So basically, I want to say pretty close to the cheapest speakers you can get on Amazon. And, I know this is just on YouTube, compression, all that other BS. It's just giving an example of maybe a little bit how they sound. I want to say these speakers are pretty even. In some cases, I would say the Pioneer over here on the left is sounds a little better, but in other cases, I would say the JVC sounds a little better. I would say the Pioneer definitely gets a little bit lower, handles the low end a little bit better. And this is just running off the stock radio, or not stock radio, but just off of the radio amplifier. So, take that with a grain of salt. But that's how most people listen to their stuff or have their stuff, right? They have it connected straight to the radio. And so this would just be a case of if you blew out your speakers, sound like crap, you pull the door panel off, you just want to replace the speaker with something cheap, and so these would be your options. So, if people like this video and, are interested in this stuff, then maybe I will, get some more speakers, different ones, compare them, maybe make a more elaborate setup, change some stuff up. But anyways, I just thought this would be a cool little video, experiment to make with some stuff that I had laying around the house. And I hope you all enjoy. And if you have any questions or any comments or suggestions or whatever to make this setup a little better, go ahead and put them in the comment section. And I try my best to get to every comment, and answer every question. I always do. So anyways, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. If you like this kind of stuff, do it yourself. Just a blue collar life. Anyways, signing off, YouTube. Have a wonderful day. Peace.